In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Chrome hardware acceleration in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can help if Chrome is freezing, lagging, glitching, or causing display issues on your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it off, and how to restart Chrome so the change takes effect properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all the important settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can change performance, privacy, appearance, and system options. Now scroll down through the settings page until you find the System section. Chrome keeps hardware acceleration inside this area because it controls how the browser uses your computer's graphics resources. Once you're in the System section, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the setting you want to change. If it is turned on, click the toggle to turn it off. Disabling this setting tells Chrome not to rely on hardware acceleration, which can sometimes solve problems like screen flickering, web page rendering issues, crashes, or performance bugs. After turning it off, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch so the change can be applied properly. Chrome will close and restart automatically, and when it opens again, the new setting will be active. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled Chrome hardware acceleration. If you are having performance or display problems, this simple adjustment may make Chrome run more smoothly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.